Welcome to Bill's Bridge Tip of the Day, Thursday, February 21st, 2013. We're continuing the Queen Ask coverage, and a 5-note trump response to a Queen Ask must show the following. It shows the Queen, otherwise you'd sign off. Without the Queen, you sign off in the trump suit. Or you could also have additional length, but you also say you have no side king, but you have a critical third round control. Now, a third round control would be the queen, a doubleton, or a singleton in another suit. If the asker has bid a side suit, 5-note trump shows the queen of the asker's side suit. If the asker is not bid a side suit, but the responder's bid a side suit, 5-note trump shows the queen of the responder's side suit. So in both these cases, it shows two queens. The third case is if neither partner has bid a side suit, 5-note trump shows a trump queen, denies a side king, but guarantees a third round control in some side suit, which can be asked by the asker in subsequent bidding, which we'll cover in another lesson. Now that all said, we now come to the special king ask, SKA. After the Roman key card bid, 4-no, the 4-no bidder can bid 5-no trump. Now what he does, first of all, he announces that you have the possession of all 5 key cards. That allows the responder to go to 7 if he can count 13 tricks in his own hand. The other thing it does is it asks partner to show side kings. King of trumps is accounted for, so there are 3 side kings. How does responder? He responds with no side king. He signs off at 6 of the agreed trump suit. With 1 king, he bids that king, with one exception, which you'll see in a minute, possibly. With 2 kings, you bid the cheapest one. The cheapest bid you can show, and we'll see what that might not be the lower ranking. With 3 kings, you jump to 6-no trump. You know you're going to 7 at that point. If you can count 13 tricks, you just bid it. Now, there's a special case, and that is if hearts are the agreed trump and you have a king of spades. The problem is if you show the king of spades, you're bypassing a heart suit, so you could be too high. So how do you handle the king of spades when you're asked? Well, if the response to the key card bid was 5 clubs, diamonds, or 5 hearts, there's no splinter bid. Do not show the king of spades, because if the asker wants to find out, he can bid 5 spades and ask about it. Another special case is if the response was 5 spades, then you can't ask for 5 spades. If there has been a splinter bid, the responder can, in response to the key card ask, show the king of spades by bidding the splinter suit. In that case, the cheapest king is not the lowest ranking king. The cheapest king might be the king of spades. It's the cheapest bid he can make. If there has not been a splinter bid, you show the king of spades only if you can be certain that the asker has more than 1 spade. If he has a singleton spade, you don't want to answer the king, because it's probably not going to be helpful in getting you to 7. It may not be a useful. An example: 1 heart by south, 4 diamonds, a splinter raise by north. Shows 4-card heart support, a singleton diamond, and roughly an opening bid. South bids 4-no trump. In this case, it's hearts is the agreed suit, and it's 1430. North has the ace of spades, the king of hearts, key card, and the queen. So he replies 5 spades. He has 2 key cards and the queen of hearts. Now here comes the special key card as a special king ask. 5, no trump. Now, North has the king of spades, but since he's splintered and he doesn't have the king of clubs, so he can't bid 6 clubs, but he can bid 6 diamonds. That promises the king of spades but denies the king of clubs. Now South looks at hand, and the king of clubs is a critical card, so he can't go on. He bids 6 hearts. Here's another example. 1 diamond by South. North bids 1 heart. This time South splinters 3 spades. North goes on with a Roman Q bid, 4 clubs, first or second round control of clubs. South takes control of the bidding with Roman key card, 1430 in hearts. And North shows 3 key cards with his 5 diamonds. Here comes a special king ass, 5 no trump. And now he's asking for kings. And he has the king of spades. He does not have the king of clubs. He can't show it, and he does not want to show the king of spades because he knows South has a singleton spade. So he signs off at 6 of the trump suit. And South can go no further. He needed the king of diamonds to make 7. Tomorrow we're going to cover the way to ask for kings the second time around, the so-called second king ask. It's an extension of Roman key card, and we're going to continue tomorrow.